another Epicflows Production.
I watch campus.
Epicflows. It might seem